you using the right pressure while you are doing a massage? Well, let me just tell you this, girl. This here will be able to help you out to decide if you are really using your hands properly. Let me just show you. The most important thing ever, you have to use all of the members of your hand. Make sure that you are grabbing and your client is feeling every single part of it. Can you guys see here? I divided my hand in a way where you can see the areas of our hands, some of them. So this way you understand that each one has to be grabbing. See here? I'm stamping all of this right here. And that's exactly what you have to do. By the moment that I stamp all of the colors here, meaning that my full hand is right here. So that's how I know if my pressure is totally good and my technique is all right. Did you guys like it? Just follow me for more, like this video, and I will keep doing content for you guys.